Equipment parts. Hood annealing furnace. Material into the furnace annealing. AGC for 5/0 rolling mill. Quenching furnace. Tempering furnace. The steel belt is entering the quenching furnace in an orderly manner. Enter the tempering furnace immediately after passing through the water pressure plate. Rewind. Vickers hardness machine. Test strip hardness. Splitter. Finishing machine. Grinding machine replacement. Recently purchased MM1432 grinding machine.